We'll guide you through how to delete all Outlook mail. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because their inbox becomes overloaded with emails, making it difficult to find important messages. Deleting all Outlook mail helps free up storage space, improve performance, and organize folders more efficiently. Many users also want a quick way to clean old or unnecessary emails without deleting them one by one. To begin this tutorial, open Microsoft Outlook on your computer. Type your Outlook email address in the provided field to log in to Microsoft Outlook. Make sure you enter the correct email address associated with your account to avoid login errors. After typing your email address, click Continue to proceed with the login process. Once you have successfully signed in and your mailbox is visible, go to the Mail section to access your email folders and messages. Open your inbox to view your received messages and review the list of emails currently stored there. Next, click the Select icon at the top of the email list to enable selection options. This will allow you to choose multiple emails at once. After activating the selection feature, click the checkbox at the top of the email list to select all emails on the current page. Make sure the checkbox is marked so you can confirm that all visible emails are selected. Once the emails are selected, click the empty focused or delete icon in the top toolbar to remove the selected emails from your inbox. After clicking the delete option, all selected emails will be moved to the deleted items folder, where they will remain until you permanently delete them. For the second method, go to the folder from which you want to delete emails, for example GuideHub Team, by selecting it from the folder list on the left side of the screen. Once you are inside the chosen folder, click the Select icon at the top of the email list to activate the selection feature. Then click the checkbox at the top of the email list to select all emails on the current page within that folder. After confirming that the emails are selected, right-click on one of the selected emails to open the context menu. From the menu options that appear, select Delete to remove the selected messages. All selected emails will be moved to the deleted items folder.